Looking for the best drone to capture stunning aerial shots and breathtaking footage? Whether you're a beginner, a filmmaker, or an FPV enthusiast, the right drone can take your creativity to new heights. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best drones that offer top-tier camera quality, intelligent flight features, and incredible performance. From professional cinematography to high-speed action, there's a perfect drone for every need. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest deals. So let's dive in and find the best drone for you. Number 5. Holy Stone 710. The Holy Stone HS710 is a compact, feature-packed drone designed for beginners and hobbyists looking for an easy yet exciting flying experience. With a sleek, foldable design, it's incredibly portable and perfect for taking on outdoor adventures. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, the HS710 captures crisp, clear aerial footage with stunning details. The adjustable camera angle allows you to get the perfect shot from different perspectives. Thanks to GPS-assisted flight, the drone automatically returns to its takeoff point if the battery runs low or it loses signal, ensuring a stress-free flying experience. With intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Fly, capturing cinematic shots is effortless. The optical flow positioning system enhances stability, making it easier to control, even for beginners. The HS710 offers a flight time of up to 23 minutes per battery, and with an extra battery included, you can enjoy nearly 50 minutes of flight time. It also features one key takeoff and landing, making it user-friendly for pilots of all skill levels. If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful drone with smart features and excellent image quality, the Holy Stone HS710 is a fantastic choice for anyone stepping into the world of aerial photography. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3. Classic, the DJI Mavic 3. Classic is a powerhouse drone designed for aerial photography enthusiasts and professionals. Featuring a stunning 20-megapixel Hasselblad camera with a 4.3 CMOS sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality, rich dynamic range, and incredible low-light performance. The Mavic 3 Classic shoots 5.1K video at 50 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, allowing for ultra-smooth and highly detailed footage. The Hasselblad Natural Color solution ensures true-to-life colors, making your shots look cinematic straight out of the camera. With an impressive 46-minute flight time, you can capture more without worrying about battery life. Advanced obstacle sensing with omnidirectional sensors provides intelligent collision avoidance, ensuring safe and stable flights. The O3 Plus transmission system offers a 15 km range with low latency 1080p live view, giving you crystal clear control over your shots. Smart flight features like Active Track 5.0, Master Shots, and Hyperlapse make it easier than ever to capture professional-grade footage. Whether you're a filmmaker, travel vlogger, or aerial photography enthusiast, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is an exceptional drone that delivers unmatched quality, performance, and reliability. Number 3. DJI FPV. The DJI FPV drone is built for adrenaline seekers who crave an immersive, high-speed flying experience. Combining first-person view, FPV technology with DJI's industry-leading stabilization, this drone delivers the ultimate cinematic racing experience. With speeds of up to 87 mph, 140 km/h, and an acceleration from 0 to 60 mph in just 2 seconds, the DJI FPV offers an exhilarating flight unlike any other drone. The 4K 60 FPS ultra-wide camera with a 150-degree field of view captures stunning high-speed footage in rich detail. Paired with DJI FPV Goggles V2, pilots experience real-time, low-latency video transmission, making every flight feel like an intense, first-person adventure. The rock-steady EIS stabilization system ensures smooth footage, even at top speeds. For added safety, the DJI FPV features an emergency brake and hover function, allowing pilots to stop instantly with the press of a button. Multiple flight modes, including normal, sport, and manual, cater to all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned FPV racers. If you're looking for an immersive, high-speed drone with cutting-edge features, the DJI FPV is the perfect choice for thrilling aerial adventures. Number 2. iFlight Defender The iFlight Defender 25 is a cutting-edge Cinehoop drone designed for cinematic FPV flights with incredible stability and safety. Compact yet powerful, this 2.5-inch ducted drone delivers smooth, stabilized footage, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor cinematic shots. Equipped with a high-quality HD camera, the Defender 25 captures sharp and vibrant footage, perfect for FPV filmmakers. Its lightweight and durable carbon fiber frame provides enhanced crash resistance, ensuring durability during demanding flights. With a built-in 6S battery system, the Defender 25 offers a flight time of over 10 minutes, significantly longer than most Cinehoop drones. The advanced digital FPV transmission system ensures low-latency, high-definition live video, making precision flying easier than ever. One of its standout features is the quick-release battery system, allowing for fast swaps and extended shooting sessions. Plus, with intelligent fail-safe modes, including return to home and turtle mode, it's designed for reliability and ease of use. Whether you're a professional FPV pilot or a filmmaker looking for cinematic indoor and outdoor shots, the iFlight Defender 25 is a top-tier Cinehoop drone that combines performance, safety, and high-quality footage. Number 1. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 Pro redefines what a compact drone can do, offering professional-grade features in an ultra-lightweight design. Weighing under 250 grams, it's perfect for travel, yet it doesn't compromise on power or performance. Equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 3 Pro captures 48 megapixel photos and 4K 60 FPS video, delivering stunning clarity, detail, and dynamic range. The f1.7 aperture allows for exceptional low-light performance, making it a top choice for creators who shoot in various lighting conditions. The Tri-Directional Obstacle Sensing System and APAS 4.0 ensure safe and intelligent flight, helping to avoid obstacles automatically. With a maximum flight time of 34 minutes and up to 47 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you get extended shooting time to capture more stunning footage. A standout feature of the Mini 3 Pro is its true vertical shooting mode, which lets you capture social media-ready vertical videos without cropping. Combined with focus track modes like Active Track, Point of Interest, and Spotlight, cinematic shots are effortless. With O3 video transmission, the DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a 12-kilometer range with 1080p live feed, ensuring smooth, reliable control. Whether you're a traveler, vlogger, or drone enthusiast, the Mini 3 Pro is the ultimate compact drone for high-quality content creation.